Now the next part is cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton, they help in maintaining the shape of the cell. These are a network of fibrous proteins. So these are a network of fibrous protein structure that are present in all eukaryotic cells. So here you can see this network. This is microtubule and these are microfilament. So microtubule and microfilament. So we have two types of cytoskeleton. One is microtubule and another one is microfilament. Apart from maintaining the shape of the cell, this cytoskeleton, they are also involved in movement of the cell or movement of the organelles within the cell. Since they are found in flagella, cilia, and these flagella and cilia helps in movement. First we'll see microtubules. So microtubules, these are hollow cylindrical like structures. So these are hollow, from inside it is hollow. You can see here. These are hollow cylindrical structures that are made up of a protein called as tubulin protein. So they are made up of tubulin. And they are found in cilia, flagella and spindle fiber. And when I say function of microtubules, they are involved in movement of chromosome that attach to the spindle fibers. So they are involved in the movement of chromosomes attached to the spindle, movement of flagella and cilia. And they are also responsible for movement of other cell organelles such as Golgi vesicles. The next one is microfilaments. So microfilaments, these are fine protein filament. They are filament. And these are solid rod-like structures. They are not hollow. They are solid rod-like structure. And they are made up of a protein called as actin. So this microfilament, they are made up of actin protein. These are found in the microvilli region of the plasma membrane. The microvilli, that are the finger-like structures present in the cell, which helps to increase the surface area of the cell so that more absorptions can occur. So this microfilament is found in the microvilli area of the cell. And this microfilament, they appear as a sheet or a bundle. So they will appear as a sheet or a bundle. Now when I say functions of microfilament, they are involved in endocytosis and exocytosis. And apart from endocytosis and exocytosis, it also evidence has been suggested that microfilament are also involved in the movement of the cell also. So this microfilament and microtubules, these are the two types of cytoskeleton that mainly maintain the shape of the cell and also helps in movement of the cell or movement of the organelle.